A winter trip is a wonderful fairy tale. It's snowing, the bonfire's burning, and you're sitting all frozen up in a tent thinking why you haven't gone somewhere to the tropical countries on your vacation. If you don't want to turn into the Snow Queen during your vacation, use this compilation of winter travel hacks. A loyal suitcase is a girl's best friend while traveling. Your sweaters and other warm clothes go straight into the suitcase. Don't forget winter medicines. Winter weather is dangerous. This is why you should take care of everything and take flu remedies in addition to the regular ones. Gather them in a separate Ziploc bag. And don't forget about a spare set of hat and gloves. Put an extra set into your suitcase. It won't take up loads of space. If you lose or get your gloves and hat wet, you will have the spare ones. On the other hand, a skirt and a dress are very unlikely to come in handy during your winter trip. No one goes skiing in a skirt. My knees may freeze up, so I'd rather not take up extra space in the suitcase. But what if my suitcase gets dirty, damaged, or what's worse, I won't be able to recognize it in a pile of other black suitcases. And it'll wait for its owner all alone at the station. I won't let it happen. I'm going to make a suitcase cover. Take an old sweater you don't wear anymore and pull it onto your suitcase. Cut off the sleeves. Turn the sweater inside out and hot glue the sleeve holes. Then, decorate the cover. Hot glue small pom-poms in a heart shape. My luggage will definitely stand out from the crowd with a cover like this, and a bulky suitcase turns into a colorful accessory. During my trip, I get new friends and was invited to a party. I go to the party wearing what I have in my suitcase, a warm sweater and pants. Oh dear, now I regret not having taken a skirt or a dress with me. My outfit is not really perfect for a party, unless it's a party for oversized skiers. It's okay. I can always say that my suitcase was mixed up at the airport. When I travel next time, I will definitely take a skirt or a dress with me, just in case. It's not fun to be lost during your trip, and to be lost and cold is twice as no fun. Hurry up, call your friends so that they can find you. Use hands-free if you don't want your hands to turn into icicles while you're holding your phone. Your hands will be warm and your friends will find you within minutes. We have downloaded map apps to our phones, but phone batteries are so unpredictable in winter. They run low when you least expect it. Take a portable power bank so that your phone doesn't turn off all of a sudden. Remember not to leave it in your suitcase. Put the power bank in your backpack. As a matter of fact, a phone runs low 2 times faster in winter. Be ready! It's so good to be in a comfy tent in the forest. Some winter magic, and voila, your dreams come true. A whole forest has grown up around us as in a fairy tale. Spruce trees, snowbanks, a bonfire, and snow right into my friend's boots. And how should we dry them up? It's easy. Take a long shoe dryer when you go on a winter trip. It will dry your wet boots quickly, and you won't get a runny nose. You're dreaming, my friend. We are in a forest, in a tent. What do you want to plug an electric shoe dryer into? A tree hollow? There is only one shoe dryer available. A bonfire. Watch out, don't burn your shoelaces. The boots are getting dry, but my friend's got one more life hack. She takes out water-repelling spray. Apply it to your boots and wear them dry throughout your trip. We enjoy sitting near a bonfire, drinking cocoa, and eating marshmallows. Winter was created specifically for this. I feel the taste of happiness on my lips. Moreover, I feel the taste of snow, cold, and chapped lips. Your lips need special treatment during winter time. My friend suggests making a special soft lip balm. Grate beeswax on a fine grater. Melt it in a microwave. Add some honey. Put in eyeshadow for a rich color. Add a few drops of coconut oil. Put in vitamin E and mix it using a wooden stick. Pour it into an empty lipstick container. Refrigerate. When the lipstick gets solid, draw a snowflake on it with a toothpick. Melt cocoa butter and mix it with blue food coloring. Pour it over the snowflake. When it hardens, snip off the top layer using a knife. Apply a soft lip balm to your chapped lips. It's great protection. You may even kiss a snowman safely wearing this balm on your lips. Is it cold outdoors and hot near the bonfire? Remember about our next life hack when